In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Jotform, a powerful online form builder that allows you to create professional looking forms for all your needs without any need for coding skills. Whether you're looking to gather data, conduct surveys, or register participants for an event, Jotform makes it easy and efficient. So let's dive right into the process of creating an account. To kick things off, you need to head over to Jotform's website. Just open your web browser and search for free online form builder and form creator vertical bar Jotform. This will lead you to their official homepage. Once there, you're greeted with a variety of options and some insight into how Jotform can make your data collection process seamless. The next step is to sign up for a free account. Locate the Sign Up for Free button on the homepage. It's usually prominent and designed to catch your attention. Clicking this button is your gateway to creating forms with ease. Now, you have a few options for how you want to sign up. For simplicity and convenience, we recommend using the Google sign-in option. This allows you to use your existing Google account to create a new Jotform account. It's straightforward and saves you the hassle of remembering another password. Look for the Google button under the sign up options and click on it. Upon selecting Google, you'll be directed to choose which Google account you'd like to use for signing up with Jotform. If you're already signed into multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one you prefer to use with Jotform. This step is crucial because it links your form directly to your chosen Google account, allowing for easier access and management. After selecting your Google account, you will be prompted to continue with the permissions. This is standard procedure whenever you use Google to sign into a third-party service. It essentially asks for your permission to allow Jotform to access your Google account information such as your name and email address. Click on Continue to grant these permissions. Remember, this is a safe process as Jotform is a reputable service, but always read through the permissions to know what you are agreeing to. Next, you'll encounter a checkbox that might seem mundane, but is actually quite important. This box usually asks for your agreement to Jotform's terms of service and privacy policy. It's vital to click this box, but even more so to understand what it entails. I strongly recommend taking a moment to read through these documents. They outline how your data will be managed and protected, something you should be comfortable with before proceeding. Finally, one last Continue button stands between you and your new Jotform account. Clicking this button confirms your agreement to the terms and completes the sign-up process. You're now officially part of the Jotform community, and that's it. You've successfully created a Jotform account using your Google credentials, simplifying your login process for future access. From here, you're ready to jump into the world of Jotform. You can start exploring the vast array of form templates available, or dive straight into creating your custom forms from scratch. Jotform's intuitive interface makes designing forms an absolute breeze. Plus, with your Google account linked, managing your forms and accessing them across devices is more convenient than ever. As a new user, you might want to explore Jotform's dashboard. It's user-friendly and offers a comprehensive overview of your forms, submissions, and more. Jotform also offers various integrations with other platforms, enhancing your ability to automate workflows and streamline your data collection process. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips to enhance your Jotform experience. First, take some time to explore the Jotform form templates gallery. It's filled with pre-designed forms that can serve as a great starting point for various projects. Second, familiarize yourself with Jotform's support resources. Their help center, blogs, and user forums are rich sources of information and guidance, ensuring you make the most out of your Jotform experience. Congratulations on setting up your Jotform account. I hope this video has been helpful and has set you on a path to easier and more efficient online form building. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or explore the extensive support resources Jotform offers. Happy form building, and here's to collecting the data you need in the simplest way possible.